What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades with candlestick psychology as usual. So let's get it started. We have this major uptrend and a minor downtrend. We have a buyer's entry and then reversed immediately. It's more like a manipulation, but we have a strong level here. Okay, we see this bounce starting from this level, so this is pretty strong level, and we see rejections. Okay, there's a gap. I go with sellers here. Okay, if this candle was closed on this level strongly, I would go with buyers, but this candle didn't even touch the this level properly, and it has to like be something like this, then I could go with buyers. But for now, no, it's gonna just go with the trend, and yeah, it's trying to fill the gap. Yeah, but after this candle I can go with buyers, but still it depends on the body of this candle and where it closed. So we have this level here. Okay, I go with buyers for the next candle. You saw that how it moved. Okay, we have a higher high. Okay, so if it comes down, it's gonna bounce up for a couple of minutes. This is a pattern that they call it diamond pattern. Whenever you have a higher high, then we see lower low, again goes high. We can go with sellers blindly because we made a lower low, and this is also true in opposite direction, and they call this diamond, and this is exactly what happened here. And we also saw the rejection from buyers and closed right on this level, so we could take this trade, and we took it. So it might continue going up because it looks like it's a double bottom if you look. But the reason why I don't go with buyers after this candle is this is way more long, I mean huge or large. Yeah, so yeah, large candles basically are sign of reversal. And also we have a pattern here which is outside bar. Outside bars in 80% of the times give us retracements. Okay, so I wasn't sure about this trade, so I didn't take it. And I also recommend you that when you're not sure about any trade, you just don't take it. Okay, save your money. You don't want to lose your money. Like, save it and take your short trades. Okay, after this candle closing something like here, or weak, or even a hammer up there, that'd be a nice opportunity. Oh we have fast momentum in the market. Yeah, I was about to say that if this candle closes weak here, that's a nice opportunity to go with buyers. And yeah, sometimes you have to just wait for the right moment. Okay, that's the difference between successful traders and yeah, bad traders. They basically are the same at this point. They all are, okay, I'm sorry, my mic just cut off. Yeah, I was about to say that they are basically pushing trades, and the patience is the key in the all financial markets. It's whether stocks, forex, whatever, but especially in binary options, it's, you know, even more important. Okay, so yeah, let's keep on. Okay, we have a major downtrend, then we created a base. Okay, we basically had a drop and created a base, and we're trying to go up and touch this level. Okay, so we might have a couple of pullbacks in this momentum. Okay, you see this 3-bar down. This is an engulf. We have a big candle. We have this level here. Okay, so it shows that this is a pullback. Okay, this is basically a pullback. It's not going to continue dropping, and we see a nice engulf. We go with buyers here because it's coming from a strong level. Okay, but still it can give us a retracement. Basically, these patterns all have a probability of giving us retracement almost 60% of the times, but depending on the situation, it can make difference. Just like here, that buyers are basically, I mean, the sellers are basically a pullback in a uptrend, so we're not really worried about. Okay guys, I'm sorry, the power just you know, cut off, and basically my computer just reset. I just prefer to stop here. Hope you enjoyed the live trades. If it was useful for you, and consider dropping a like for me, the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Peace out.